Hello everyone, I am Walt. Here we are with part 38 of 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. 38 parts in, and our principle today is another good one. I like this one a little bit more than I like the last one, clearly, but this one is to trust your instincts, okay? So a lot of people don't trust themselves, and that's a reason they don't succeed, okay? And they feel like, oh, if I've screwed up so badly, how can I trust myself? Okay, here's the key here. If you don't trust yourself, you cannot win. If you say, oh, my past self, he doesn't know anything, I'm not going to look at his notes or his ideas, you're not going to be very good at learning from the past about all the things you can do better. And of course, appreciating who you were in the past. If you feel like, oh, I can't, trust what I'm going to do in the future, I'm just going to do some bad stuff, bad affirmation right there. You want to say, I am who I am, I can do what I want to do. Every day and every way, I am getting better and better. And really that's what you want to push right there. You want to push forward on being able to get better and better every day in every way. Okay? I mean, there's a reason that phrase changed so many people's lives and that it's used so often. It's not because it's necessarily true, it's because you make it true, okay? So what you're really thinking about in your life, what you really want to work on for trusting your instincts, is to trust that you're going to grow into a better person with time and that who you are is good, even if you don't like that person, even if you find that they have flaws, even if you're like, I can't believe you did this. We are not perfect people. We are not here to be perfect. We're here just to get a little bit better and better every day, and of course, in every way. So it's not like we should expect ourselves to be perfect. We're gonna make mistakes, okay? And the fact that we're making mistakes is a good thing, okay? If we never made mistakes, it would be pretty boring, Our lives would just be like, And instead, making mistakes is wonderful. But what you have to do is you have to trust your instincts. You have to trust if you get an idea from your subconscious mind that it's a good idea, that it's going to be helpful, that it's going to move you in a positive direction. And that's really what you want to do, is move in a positive direction. And you can really do that if you're willing to trust yourself. Trust is built with time, so do small things that will get you to trust yourself more, just as if you were earning the trust of another person. And with time, trusting yourself will make yourself, even happier. Because if you can't trust yourself, who can you trust? Like, honestly, if yourself is always deceiving you, which to some degree all of our subconscious minds are doing, then, how do you trust other people? How do you trust that things are ever going to work out? You can't, because your mind is against you. Instead, you want to do kind of a move into the opposite stream, as Napoleon Hill talks about in Think and Grow Rich, one of the greatest books of all time in this kind of material. And really, it's just about jumping out of the stream that's dragging you to negativity and into the stream that is just taking you to positivity, to success, to abundance. And you can make that transition very easily if you're just willing to acknowledge that you can trust your instincts, you can trust yourself, you can make this work, it's gonna work, okay? And it's okay to make mistakes. Don't expect yourself to do it perfectly. Just be like, you know what? We're gonna make this work, it's gonna work. I can trust myself. And really, that is something that's gonna make you super happy. So yeah, that's about it for this part. I will see you guys next time with part 39, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.